Heavy rains in parts of India is causing major destruction in the absence of preparedness and maintenance work. Maharashtra, being the center of the destructive rains, is facing the grunt of nature the most. In the latest, a passenger train from Karnataka's Mangaluru to Mumbai was hit by a landslide in Goa on Friday. Local reports identified the train as 01134 Mangaluru Junction, CST Terminus Express Special, which had been diverted by Mangaluru due to an overflowing Vashishti River. The train was derailed on the Uttar section in Goa with the engine and the first general running off the tracks, the Hindu newspaper reported. No passengers were injured. Passengers of the affected coach were shifted to other coaches and the train was being sent back to Kulane. Landslides were reported at 2 locations in the Ghat section of the Hooghly division of Southwestern Railway, between Uttar and Sonauli stations and between Karnataka and Uttar stations, following incessant rainfall. A total of 129 people have died in rain-related incidents in Maharashtra in 48 hours, a senior state disaster management official said on Friday, as heavy showers lashed several parts of west and southern India.